Try trust no one.
Just made it back to the crib. It was a good show for the time I was there. It did, just kept raining on and off, so I wasn't able to really get a lot of content, but I did get what I could for you guys. But no, I haven't been on YouTube or out and about lately. Been dealing with a lot of things, but a lot of things have been handled, and a lot of things is behind me. So guess what? I'm back. I got a lot of shows coming up, a lot of events I'm going to, a lot of pop-up events I'm going to, and a lot of conventions I'm going to. And guess what? Y'all be with me also. So I've been getting DMs. Where you at? Where you at? Where another vid go drop? You need to drop another vid. Da 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 da. Guess what? Vids are coming back. It will be short content. It will be public interviews. It will be way much more than what I put out. Like, it's channel about to be flooded for the rest of the year. About to go down the whole year. Just stay tuned, man. Just stay tuned. A lot of new stuff. Like I said, a lot of new stuff. I'm gonna be collabing with a lot of people, doing podcast type sit downs with a lot of people. So like I said, it's just the first video back, so I ain't got a lot. It did rain, so it did kind of hinder a lot of things, but it still was a successful event. Jordan's second annual truck show, bike show, car show, whatnot. His family, shout out to him and his family for hosting this annual event. Also, they started a positive foundation for gun violence and people who have fellow peers or family members that fallen to gun violence. We need to stop. Killing people ain't a flex. Killing people isn't the way to handle things. There's so many other ways to handle things besides taking somebody's life with a gun. And a child at that. People got moms, people got family, people got kids, you know what I'm saying? So it's easy to take somebody's life within seconds, but it's hard to deal with afterwards. Because like they always say, when somebody passed, both sides grieve. They family member gone. Your family got to deal with you in the grave. In jail or locked up for the rest of your life. So we don't need no more of that. So put the guns down, handle it like men. Not saying you ain't gonna have to fight sometimes. Not saying you ain't gonna have to get in a scuffle. But sometimes it's just best to walk away. So enjoy the video. Like I said, it did get rained out, but we back in action. We back live. We back to the normal routine. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, like I said, I'm back.